Hello guys, I'm back with another video on Pyspark. In this video, we will learn about what is drop duplicates and what is distinct, and we will see the differences between the drop duplicates and distinct in Pyspark. Do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go into the actual code. So I have a Python file where I have initialized a Spark session and reading a CSV dataset from my local and previewed a data frame out of it. So this is my data frame which I'm going to work on it now, having a 4 columns and around 5 rows. And here if you see the second rows 2 John Kella 32 is been duplicated here as a 2 John Kella 32. So my first aim is to remove the rows which are being completely duplicated. So using the distinct statement, I have performed it on my data frame, which is df, which is read from the CSV, df.distinct.show. And the second statement which I'm using is df.dropduplicates.show. So these two statements, which is duplicate and drop duplicates, is going to work on the whole data set on each of the column. And if there is a entire record which is been duplicated, it would be removing that and giving only the unique records. So let's run the code and see how it works. So here is my Spark session getting created, and the first one which is printed is the actual data set, and next one is a distinct on the full rows and drop duplicate on the full rows. If you see the distinct full and drop duplicates full will be same. Second, 2 John Kerala 32, 2 John Kerala 32, 1 Mohan Delhi 30, 1 Mohan Delhi 34, Ramu Gujarat 28, 4 Ramu Gujarat 28. 3 Ram Delhi 35, 3 Ram Delhi 5, 35. So it means that there has been one record which has been removed among the 2 John Kerala 32, or which is a second row or a fifth row. Okay. And so this is how guys we can work with the drop duplicates and distinct. So this you can use any of these while you are, if you want to remove the entire record which has been duplicated. Now let's see what is the difference between drop duplicates and distinct. So let me comment this code which we already been seen, and I would like to uncomment this code where, so let's see another scenario where I just want to drop the records where the address is been duplicated. So if you see for Mohan, the address is been assigned as Delhi, and for same Ram, the address is been assigned as Delhi. So I want to remove one of the record among both and have only one in my final data set. And if you see Kerala, and Kerala is been also duplicated when I see just an address level, and I want to see the data frames without any address column being duplicated in my final data set. So this is how we can work with column level distinct or dropping it. So if you see in the distinct, right, then we cannot apply directly what of the columns we want to drop the rows. So we have to apply a first a select and select only the particular record or a particular row, I mean the particular column which I want to drop the duplicates. So df dot select of address and distinct dot show. And the second for the drop duplicates is there is an flexibility in the drop duplicates. You can mention on which column you want to check is there is a duplicate or not, and preview or get the whole data set. So here we will be losing the data in the distinct when I apply a distinct on a particular column, and here I won't lose any data among the whole data frame except the one which is duplicated. So let's see the example so that you will be easy to understand. So the Spark session is getting created, and it's going to run the program. So the first one is the actual data set, and the second one you are seeing is the distinct on the few columns. So as I applied distinct on the address, it has lost the other columns which are available, which is ID, name, and age. But if you see in the second one, which is a drop duplicates, where I have applied and passed a list with the value as column as address, I have retained all the other columns also, ID, name, address, and age, and just remove the rows which are being duplicated here with respect to address. So one record with the Kerala and one record with the Delhi is being removed. So this is the main difference we can see between the distinct and drop duplicates when you want to perform on a particular columns instead of whole data set. I hope it is very helpful for you guys.
Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.